this is Lucas, and these are some of my monster trucks, and I have a lot more at home. And this one is Madam Melissa. And this one's Landy Lone and War Wizard. This one is Hurricane Force. This is Grinder. Flippy says so. This is Adam Anderson and Gravedigger the Legend. This is Chris Virgil Wrecking Crew, and he also drives Brutus. This is Chad Fortune and the Captain America. This is Tom Benson XD. Charlie Pocket and Monster Mutt. Leo Donald and Iron Man. This is Jane Cold and Avenger. Chad Taylor, Spider-Man. Dennis Anderson, Gravedigger 30th anniversary. This is Hot Wheels, and he also has a broken tire. Okay, last three. This is Brian Anderson and Son of a Digger. Okay. This is Medusa, and last one. This is Wendy Wayne and the Lucas Oil Crusader. Now I'm going to race some of my trucks. Let me get my track ready. Okay. Okay. I'm going to race Brutus. First is Hurricane Force. Get back where you were. Get back where you were. Back where you were. And they're going to race over track. Papa, come a little bit closer. And let me get this back up. And here they go. They race around the track. And here they go. And Brutus, he crashes into the wall. And Hurricane crashed into the wall. And he still won. He wins on Hurricane Force. Okay, next race is War Wizard versus Spider-Man. War Wizard versus Spider-Man.
Look. You hear me?